How's it going, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Alright, so we're going to go fly in the club plane today, 401 Hotel X-Ray, and we're going to go fly around the Bozeman area. Pretty awesome day. It's a little cloudy. Clouds are up high, though. Should be pretty good. Beautiful day. Should be super smooth, hopefully at least. We'll see. And just do a little scenic tour. I'm taking my buddies on a flight, and yeah, it should be pretty fun. Alright, hope you enjoy.
How's it going, everybody on board? We're going to depart here. We're just going to taxi on over and spin around, let the plane warm up, do an engine warm up before takeoff. At uncontrolled field, it's pretty awesome that we can just do whatever we want, pretty much. Welcome aboard to you guys. Degrees of flaps, lights are on, area looking clear. We're taxiing up, holding short 2-1. Temperatures are looking good.
Make it is deployed.
All right, cockpit is cold, mixture is full bridge, lights are on.
Oh yeah, you're gonna clear this glass up. It's basically focused on your window here.
Oh boy.
We are an F-22 Raptor.
Alright, 1 second. 3 Forks traffic, Skyhawk 401, Hotel X-Ray holding short 2-1. Look for traffic in the area departing to the south.
Eye for the camera, boys.
Lights, camera, action.
Lights, camera, action. We got lights, camera in action. The final is clear. I don't hear anybody. We're going. 3 Forks traffic, Skyhawk 401, Hotel X-Ray taking an active 2-1, departure to the south, 3 Forks.
Approaching runway 21.
Oh, 3 Forks traffic, Command 2954 Bravo. We're showing Apple
Wheels on board.
Looking for the traffic departing to the south.
All pressures in the green, all temperatures in the green.
Airspeed say live. We're about 55 knots, or 55 miles an hour in this thing.
Airspeed live. Cross check.
And we're just going to let the plane come off the ground. Just like that. We're flying.
Wow, that was smooth.
Yeah, boy.
It was hella smoother than I thought it was going to be.
We're looking about 70 knots here.
Anybody have anything, any messages for the folks back home?
Well, that's for this camera here. All right, you can cut that camera too.
Hi, Mom. I don't know what I'm doing.
All right, 1 second.
Well, good thing Andrew's flying.
I don't think
Oh, sorry, I didn't have that recording at all. I thought you had it recorded.
Oh, you weren't recording that?
Nope.
Oh, that's awesome. Here, give me that. That's fantastic.
Smooth.
All right, 1 second.
Smooth.
3 Forks traffic, Skyhawk 401, Hotel X-Ray. We're on the upwind, departuring to the south. We're out of the area, 3 Forks. Departuring to the south. All right, flaps coming up, and we're going to feel the woo.
Ooh, yeah. There we go.
All right, now we're looking for about an 85. So 80 to 90 knot cruise climb. Everything looks good, so everything's good in the green.
Hey, look, cows.
Yeah, that's about as much as you're going to see on this flight. Down expensive houses.
A whole bunch of cows.
Hey, I see some horses out there, so they ain't only cows.
Cows and horses, excuse me. Airspeed 80 to 90 knots.
80 to 90,
gauges. In the green, everything looks good. Make sure about 3,000 feet lean is required.
We're not going to leave. Well, we will eventually, but...
I should have taken my checklist. My checklist was specifically for the M model.
Yeah? Yeah, that's for the SP.
Dang nabbit.
Coulda, woulda, coulda.
Okay, my plane.
You're fine. Alrighty, so let's introduce everybody on board here. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the channel. This is my channel, Andrew here. We got my buddy Tad. He's a commercial student right now flying twins. We got his co-worker Sterling in the back and my buddy Justin right here. He just graduated and Sterling's working at the Jet Center. How long have you been working there?
Long enough.
Long enough. Alright, that's good.
I'm working at the Jet Center as well.
Oh yeah, he's working at the Jet Center too. I'm going to look back on this footage. It's just going to be super freaking funny.
Oh yeah.
All right, you guys, if you guys look off your left side here, we are approaching the Bozeman area. This big cliff area is the Buffalo Jump, and we're just flying over the Madison. I think we just flew over that recently. Oh, no, that's coming up right here. And then you got the bridges off to your left, east here. And then I think those are the bitter roots back there. Is that right, Justin?
Correct.
Okay, we got the bitter roots back down there.
Frequency 118.907.
Maybe I will, maybe I won't. See, that's where I typically go fishing, right down there, right on the Madison.
Thank you, turn 10 degrees left, vector, final approach course.
Huh, it's a really good fishing down there.
Like that big patch of ice.
Just kidding, I don't know. Do you like to ice fish?
I've done it a handful of times, yeah.
I've only done it once, so I can't really talk too much smack.
I mean, it is kind of boring because you drill a hole in the ice and just let it bob.
Yeah.
I'd much rather like actual casting fishing.
Right, yeah, me too.
It's more entertaining and more actual physical.
Absolutely. Yeah, I love lure fishing, my plane. If you want to just take pictures, you just tell me.
Look at that.
That's pretty sweet. Look at that fog.
That's pretty neat.
Let's go check it out. My plane.
That's the airplane.
What are we checking out?
All that cloud up there. Welcome back, everybody. We're just flying around in some mountains here. Not too bad. Enjoying our day. How's everybody feeling?
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Just dandy.
Everybody cool. All right, Tad's got the plane right now. We're just going to go explore. There's some crazy switchback roads.
Actually, you're probably not going to go over there because it's that.
Yeah, let's not do that.
Can the camera hear us?
Yes, the camera can hear us.
Nice. You can tell Tad's flying because it just got a little bit more bumpy than it was.
Yeah.
Yes, it's all Tad's fault right now.
Yeah, right.
I will say, Borash, if you look down left, that would be a fun road to drift on.
Oh my gosh, it'd be so cool. Right there, that's what we're talking about right down in there.
It is a ton of switchbacks. I'm talking like 180 angle.
Yeah.
Oh,
switchbacks.
yikes.
Goes up and back.
That would be super fun. And then if you look out here, that's Bozeman for us right out there, and then we got the bridges right off in that direction, that way. Got Bozeman area campus, and then the Bozeman airport's way over there.
If you look out the right side of the plane, you'll see the Grand Canyon here.
I think we're in the wrong spot for that.
Well, we just flew over Highlight Canyon.
No, actually, Highlight Canyon's that one.
We were going to go there, but...
Yeah, Highlight Canyon's the one in the fog there.
To be sure, we are exactly where we are.
And nowhere else.
Oh, right, because that's not 19th, that's Gooch.
Yep.
No matter where you fly to, that's where you are.
All right, let's see here. Should we go fly over my grandma's?
Sure.
Why not?
All right, let's follow this road dive off our left side. That's 19th back in there. Go ahead, chop your power a little bit. We're going to descend down. Let's descend down to 8,000 feet.
What's the legal height?
It's nothing really.
Yeah.
It's 500 feet.
Well, over condensed area, it's 1,000 feet, 2,000 from the tallest obstacle. But in this area, non-congested, it's 500.
1,000 feet bubble over any car, structure, whatever.
Yeah, well, that's in congested. Non-congested is 500.
500 big
What did I say?
So you can fly over my house is what you're saying.
Maybe. Maybe, possibly. It's just, we could if the airspace wasn't there. Bozeman's airspace is right there.
Yeah, the airport.
Yeah. No, we're flying right over your house right now. Look towards the sky.
Well, I would hope it don't look towards the ground.
This is weak. Watch this.
Oh, jeez. Good thing I don't get motion sick.
That's pretty cool. Pretty sweet. Here, rock the wings. We're waving at you.
Yeah, this is something.
Use your rudder. Bye. We'll see you later.
What? That?
Or the waves are getting a little choppy up here.
Yeah, use your rudder. What are you doing?
Shut up! You're making me look bad, you fat.
You're gonna have to edit this out.
Yeah, that was a beep moment. Welcome back, guys. We're proceeding inbound the Bozeman. We're going to drop these two guys off. We're going to have some fun. I think he's going to land it. He hasn't landed with 4 people before, so that's a great experience. So that'll be fun.
Hopefully we don't die.
Yeah, we're not going to die. Flying over our buddy's house right now, vectoring for the right downwind for 1-2. Go ahead, start right your turn. I can get the radio.
No, I got it.
All right, you got it.
401 Hotel X-ray is on a midfield right down for 1-2.
Cessna Hotel X-ray, runway 12, clear to land.
1-2 clear to land for 401 Hotel X-ray.
All right, bump your power back up a little bit. Why? Because you're getting low.
53.
53, you're at 52.
I'm at 5360.
Oh, no, you're not.
Oh, yeah, you didn't change it.
You can hold this right here, that's fine. And, just set up like normal, like you normally do. Power to 15, 10 degrees of flaps in the Cessna immediately. We're pretty wide and low right now, so that's fine. Alright, belts check for traffic, gas is on, undercarriage is down, mixture full, ridge belts, as required, seatbelt switches, everything looks good. Everybody good? Seatbelts just in the lock.
It's good.
10-4.
There you go. Bring your power out first to 15 before you do flaps. I would do it now. Bring your power out. Even more to 1500 RPM. And you're still fast, you're 100 knots.
Slow down, turbo.
Alright, you're getting in the Y arc. Good. Yeah. Pump it up just a little bit. There you go. And you're short, so you have to slow down. Watch your speed. You're at 85 knots.
Heels on the floor.
Heels on the floor. Slow down a little bit more. There you go. Okay, you're at 80. This is good. Good speed. Finish the turn, do 30 degrees of flaps. Go. Right there. Stop it. I got it.
Flap selector's kind of in this thing.
Yep. Alright, you're at 80. You can slow down to 75. You're good. Good. Just let it. Look at the end of the runway. Hold it off in the ground effect. Bring out the power. Hold it off. Hold it off. A little bit left rudder. Left rudder. Left rudder. Left. 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 There it is. Yes. Nice. Left. Left. Good. 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 Left. Left. Good.
God damn it, shut up! Andrew, this is not fucking instructing time.
Cessna Hotel X-ray, where are you parking?
Jet Center, please, for 401 Hotel X-ray.
Cessna Hotel X-ray, taxi to the Jet Center via Alpha 4 Alpha, monitor ground 18.
Taxi to Jet Center via Alpha, monitor ground 8 for 401 Hotel X-ray. Best me the fuck out.
Sorry. Of course I have it.